howdy. This is Just Eats and I am Justine. Yay! So today we're gonna make something really simple, really yummy, nice, juicy chicken breast that's marinated in yogurt. It's gonna make it super juicy and moist and just flavorful. Okay, so we are gonna use quite a few ingredients for this. Yogurt, make sure it's not the sweet type of yogurt because you don't want it to suddenly taste sweet. Unless you like sweet chicken, but maybe not as yogurt sweet chicken. 2 chicken breasts here, they've been patted dry, and half the lemon juice. You can also use the rind, that'll be good. 3 cloves of garlic, turmeric, paprika, salt and pepper. And then some rosemary. There you go. So I do this there, and you end up catching the seeds, see? So it doesn't go in there. And then you want to put some pepper, and then half a teaspoon paprika, half a teaspoon turmeric. Those last 2 are optional, but it adds a nice flavor to it. Gives it a nice yellow-orange color. So this is fresh rosemary, but you can use dried rosemary. It's okay. Get that from the stalks, just kind of like it up a bit. So you get one of your Ziploc baggies, or you can actually put it in a glass container, plastic container. It's fine if you're just gonna put it in the freezer. Just so you know, I reuse these, I wash them, and I reuse them. Okay, so you put the chicken breast there, and you put this in the freezer. No, I'm just kidding. You have to put this. But there. Because you can also use it as a marinade. You can also use it as a sauce. Because it's really just garlic and yogurt and yummy stuff. And now we are gonna, well, this is gonna marinate. You put it in the fridge. I'm gonna put mine in the fridge. But then I'm gonna bring out one that I have already marinated. Ta-da! All right, yay! Okay, and we're gonna cook this one. And you just wanna very gently lay your chicken breast. Yeah, you just want to kind of do that and then let it cook that way for around, for this one, maybe around 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, and then I think we're ready to flip it because you see it's more opaque here than in the middle. Poke that inside. Okay, so while the chicken is resting, let's make a sauce. Okay, again, just a plain yogurt, some garlic. So this is very, very similar to the marinade. It's simple to say most days. Okay, and then just a bit of lemon juice, just a bit. Salt, pepper. See, just a bit. And some olive oil. Just there you go. Ooh, nice. Now, let's just take a look at our chicken breast. I'm just getting sauce on it. But there, it has a nice, really nice sauce. You can put your chicken breast. I'm just gonna use my hand because whatever. With all the sauce and the yogurt. And then you just good. Anyway, I took too big a bite. 1 second. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this. I really did, and I'm definitely gonna enjoy this. This is our yogurt marinated chicken breast that's so juicy, and you can have wraps with rice, whatever, pasta. You can do whatever you want. Anyway, if you like this, I hope you can like the button down there. If you want, you can also subscribe so you can see the other videos. If you want to see other videos and other recipes, just let me know. You can write it down in the comment box. Let me know what you think. If you want to mix it up a bit, try it with other stuff. I'd really love to hear what you think. Anyway, okay, see you guys next time. Bye!